update sa'yo, kailan ka ba planong bumalik sa court?
Well, trying to be healthy, no, day by day. So, right now, wala pa talagang exact ano. So, iba kasi yung hamstring eh. Minsan traitor eh, minsan okay. Pag pag wino-workout ko, ganyan, sumasakit, bumitigas. So, trying to be healthy day by day. So far hindi fit.
Nagpa-practice ka na ba? Or,
wala pa. It's all recovery, strengthening, and rehab. Wala pa so far.
How would you assess yung ibang guards naman ng 11 na step up like Nards, Pinto, and others like in this year?
We all know, no, we struggle right now, but as the game goes on, for sure, there's a lot of veterans sa amin, no, we're gonna step up sa mga next game. Like sa guards namin, mga veterans, no, they know what to do, and overall, we just struggle as a team. No? It's not about individual. We struggle as a team.